In addition to that, people have so many other things to think about in their busy lives, and they'd much prefer to think about something over which they feel they have some semblance of control. And they assume that other people, smarter than they on this topic, are working away to keep us all safe. And then there are other reasons people don't talk about this. And one is because we as nuclear experts use a whole lot of convoluted jargon and terminology to talk about these issues. CVID, ICBM, JCPOA. It's really inaccessible for a lot of people. And in reality, it actually sometimes, I think, makes us numb to what we're really talking about here. And what we are really talking about here is the fact that while we've made dramatic reductions in the number of nuclear weapons since the Cold War, right now,
convoluted, convoluted, convoluted.